Okay, so here is what the space looks like right now, and my next project is adding a table that will flip up into my walkway here, so that I can cook on it, because I installed a 6-inch vent line fan right above it so that I could do cooking there, so it would act as a vent to take out any moisture. Okay, so I got these folding brackets off of Amazon. There we go. Okay, so these are the folding brackets. I kind of have it open here. And this is where you would attach it to your wall or your cabinet or whatever. And then there's a little handle here. So when your table is flat, you push this little handle and then it just lifts up. And let me come back a little bit. There we go. So that's how that works. I headed off to Menards and found my favorite boards. I've used this inexpensive option 3 times during my build. They are light, durable, and cheap, and with a few coats of polyurethane, look really nice. I measured out the length and taped the cut line because the board is soft pine and it could splinter. I spent some time sanding everything before I applied several coats of polyurethane. The install will be a little different for everyone. I attached the brackets to the uprights on my galley, and then I laid the table on top and screwed it in place. The installation took about 15 minutes. A few thoughts I had while planning this table. I wanted to use the table when the seat was facing forward because sometimes we need to use the space for storage. I also wanted the table useful for the seat when it was in its swivel mode. I found the perfect fit. I have used the flip-up table for several trips now. It's sturdy, spacious for cooking, and handy when in swivel mode. The step with a handle fits perfectly underneath, and it doubles for a footrest so my feet won't dangle. After the flip-up table was in place, I added a USB task light and plugged it into my Flex 1500 power station. The AC power I need to run the induction burner or the Instapot is run inside the upper shelf, and I plug it in above. Thank you everybody for watching my video, and have a wonderful day.